National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern DuPage County in northeast Illinois, Grenville County in northeast Illinois, northwestern Kankakee County in northeast Illinois, Kindle County in northeast Illinois, eastern LaSalle County in north central Illinois, north central Livingston County in central Illinois, western Will County in northeast Illinois, until 1:45 p.m. At 12:59 p.m. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Sheridan to 9 miles south of Seneca to 6 miles north of Pontiac, and moving northeast at 80 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Yorkville and Morris around 1:10 p.m. Oswego and Minooka around 1:15 p.m. Wilmington and Shorewood around 1:20 p.m. Naperville and Romeoville around 1:25 p.m. Woodridge and New Lenox around 1:30 p.m. Interstate 80 between mile markers 98 and 138. Interstate 55 between mile markers 213 and 272. Interstate 355 between mile markers 2 and 21. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building.